Natural or DIY remedies for skincare is always safe. No, that's not true. Lemon juice, baking soda, coffee, sugar, scrubbing them on face would lead to skin irritation and barrier damage. Washing your face multiple times and applying a toner gives you very good skin. No, no, no. Overwashing of the face leads to stripping of natural oils. A toner is actually not required if you're using a good face wash. So ideally, using a dermatologist prescribed face wash twice a day is the way to go. Skin pores keeps opening and closing. So I would like to remind you all, these are not doors, these are skin pores. They don't open and close. If they open after a certain age or due to a certain skin condition, you have to use good skincare products or go for some treatments for them to shrink. So good skincare is the way to go. Save this post and share it with someone who's there into skincare.